Hello, Team 6-1 Math students. Tonight you are going to take a look at the directions for the online shopping challenge. We are going to be doing the online transfer task tomorrow in class. Now we're going to go through the directions so that when you get to our classroom, you're ready to get to work. Let's first take a look at our learning targets for our purpose for this task. There are three. First task is I can assemble information needed to solve a real-world problem. 2. I can demonstrate that fluency with decimal computation is important when shopping for food items. 3. I can select ethnic recipes in order to relate with people of different cultures and enhance my view of a global society. This task also gives you the opportunity to apply some of the Common Core mathematical practices. These are the same practices that we worked on when we did our Sugar 3-Act math. 1. Make sense of problems and persevere in solving them. 2. Construct viable arguments and critique the reasoning of others. 3. Use appropriate math tools strategically. And 4. Attend to precision. When you get to class tomorrow, we will launch our lesson with a 3-act math. After our launch, you and your partner are going to shop online. Life can be very busy. Finding time to grocery shop can be a challenge for many families. Most grocery stores have solved that problem by offering home delivery. All one has to do is go online and select the groceries that need to be delivered to the home. With a partner, you will have the opportunity to experience online grocery shopping by following the directions for 3 grocery shopping challenges. However, there's a problem. The online calculator went down. You and your partner will need to calculate your totals by hand. You and your partner do not have to purchase the same items for the challenges. You and your partner will each turn in your own packet. Let's take a look at the grading rubrics for each challenge. Challenge 1 rubric. You will receive 3 points for attention to precision. Make sure your decimals are lined up. Items and cents are written accurately in decimal form. You will receive 4 points for calculating your bill accurately. Challenge 2 rubric. You will receive 4 points for grocery items not exceeding the budget. You will receive 3 points for attention to precision. Decimals are lined up, items and cents written accurately in decimal form. You will receive 4 points for calculating your bill accurately. Challenge 3 rubric. You receive 5 points for a complete list of ingredients and prices. 3 points for, again, attention to precision, lining up those decimals. Items and cents written accurately in decimal form. You receive 4 points for calculating your bill accurately. In this challenge, you have the opportunity for 3 extra credit points for accurately calculating the tax and total. This project is worth a grand total of 30 points. Let's take a look at Challenge 1. Challenge 1, you will visit the Meijer online shopping site. You will find prices for the food items in the shopping cart below. Record the prices in your Meijer shopping cart below and calculate the total. So you will need to search for milk, ground beef, bread, ketchup, Lucky Charms. The way that you are going to find the prices is by going to the Meijer online shopping site. Let's take a look at how to navigate that site. Now, you have some options for searching the Meijer site. You can go right up here to the search bar. Let's say I wanted to find milk. I will just type in milk, and it takes me immediately to the page with some options for milk. The other way I can search for products is by going to departments. Once in departments, I would go to grocery. For grocery, there are different categories such as produce, dairy, frozen, meat, and so on. Produce would be items such as fruit and vegetables. There's also a category called pantry. Pantry would be food items that you find in your own pantry at home. Those things that don't need to be put into the refrigerator, such as cereal, pasta, cookies, things like that. Go ahead and click on pantry. And from there, it gives me some ideas. I can look at spreads, baking, canned goods, cooking, and baking. And here are all kinds of items I might use to bake cookies or cakes with. If I click on chocolate chips, it takes me into all different kinds of chocolate chips that I could select. So that's how you navigate the Meijer online shopping site. You can either type in the search bar for a specific product you're looking for, or you can click on department, grocery, and then click category from there. Let's sign out of the online Meijer shopping site. And then you can see that here is your shopping cart. I give you the category and the food item. You will give me the price. You must also include your delivery charge and the total, cost without tax. Let's take a look at Shopping Challenge 2. You have a choice for Shopping Challenge 2. You are required to select and complete only one of the 2 options offered in this challenge. Challenge 2, Option 1. You and your partner have $30 to spend. You will spend $20 on groceries and $10 on delivery. Visit the Meijer online shopping site again. Try to spend as close to $30 as you can without going over. Use the shopping cart below to record your purchases and calculate your total. You do not have to use all of the lines in the shopping cart. You may add lines to the shopping cart if needed. You must purchase at least 6 food items. You and your partner do not have to purchase the same items. You and your partner will each turn in your own packet. So on this challenge, you can select the category, your food item, and then you would record your price. Include $10 for delivery, and then of course add that up, and that would be your subtotal without tax. Challenge 2, Option 2. You and your table partner have $50 to spend. You will spend $40 on groceries and $10 on delivery. Visit the Meijer online shopping site again. Try to spend as close to $50 as you can without going over. Use the shopping cart below to record your purchases and calculate your total. The food categories have to be filled in for you, so you must purchase items from those categories. You may not add or delete lines. You may not purchase duplicate items. You and your partner do not have to purchase the same items. So again, here you must purchase 3 dairy items. You select a specific dairy item, 2 bakery, 2 meats, 2 produce, 2 pantry, and then an item of your choice. Your delivery charge is $10, and then you must add up. Give me the subtotal. That's the total without tax. All right, last challenge. Challenge 3. You be the top chef. For this task, you will select an recipe, create a shopping list, and calculate the cost of preparing the dish. Step 1, dish selection. Evaluate several recipes online. Select a recipe for a dish that you would be interested in making. You are required to select an ethnic dish. You may want to select a dish from one of the cultures we explore in social studies. However, you may select another culture. Those cultures we study are Egyptian, Greek, Roman, Chinese, and Indian. If you have an ethnic dish recipe at home that you would like to use, you are welcome to use that. The first that I have are pre-selected recipes. There are 3 recipes that you may use for this challenge. I also have 3 more links. In these links, you would have to explore yourself and take a look at some different recipes. Step 2, let's go shopping. Use the shopping template on the next page to create a shopping list for the ingredients needed for your dish. Use the Meijer shopping site to search the price for each of the ingredients and calculate the cost of making your dish. You and your partner do not have to select the same recipe, however you may. You and your partner will each spend packet. All right, here is the Challenge 3 shopping template. You will record all the ingredients needed to prepare the dish selected. Let's assume you do not already have any of the ingredients in your house and you need to purchase all of the ingredients. You may add or delete lines if needed. Use the Meijer online shopping site to the cost of each ingredient. Calculate the total cost of all ingredients before tax. I would like you to put the name of your dish here. Also, if you have a recipe from online, please include the link. Here is your shopping cart. And then this section is optional. This is where you can earn 3 extra credit points. Calculate the tax for your shopping bill. To calculate the tax, multiply the subtotal by 8%, which is equal to 8 hundredths, 0.08. That will be our tax rate. Add the tax to your subtotal. This is the total cost for your ingredients. So that is the online shopping project that we will be doing the next couple days in math. I expect that on day 1 you will complete challenges 1 and 2, and then on the second day, on Thursday, you will complete challenge 3. And then on Friday, we have Chef Ray coming to visit and talk to us about what it's like to be a chef, and he's also going to share some pictures of some cultural dishes that he enjoys making. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow so that we can go shopping online. Have a great night.